Hello and welcome to Commodity Champions. I'm Manisha Gupta. On today's show, we focus on gold, whose prices are holding above $2,500 an ounce. This is after hitting an all-time high in the previous week. Well, the money managers' wagers in gold jumped to the highest level in 4 years. Prices of gold have surged 6% in the month of August, while the prices of silver are up by nearly 8%. In India, the gold prices have become more attractive after the union budget slashed import duties on gold to 6% from 15% in an effort to tackle the smuggling. The industry was expecting a cut, but a 9% difference took the industry by surprise. However, the sector is optimistic about the festival season to propel gold buying. I caught up with Malabar Gold and Diamonds India MD Ashero on sidelines of the India Gold Conference. He said that the industry is very happy with the government's decision. Let's listen in.
The overall mood in the industry is very positive, be it in the side of consumers or the back of it. The total industry is in a very positive mood. We have witnessed a very good sale hike also immediately after the announcement and being published in the news. And be it in the consumer side or be it on the back end of the total industry, everybody is in a positive mood. It is not only that 9%, but the approach that government has towards the industry. So it is making the whole industry very positive because the requests have been considered, and they are seeing, government also believe that industry will benefit because of that. So it's a very positive.
And especially coming ahead of the season, of course. The last 5 years clearly have seen a lot of euphoria, cleaning, expansions, more IPOs, transparency, hallmarking. How are you looking at the next 5 years shaping up now?
Yeah, the initiatives done the last 5 years, be it SEPA or hallmarking, making mandatory, this duty cut. So it gives a lot of positivity for the organized players. So organized players, when I say that, it doesn't mean that organized is only corporates or the largest companies. Anybody in the industry can be organized. So a lot of shift from unorganized business to organized is shifting. That is why more and more people making it more structured, compliance level improvement, and also having a organized way of doing business. So as I mentioned, unorganized player, it doesn't mean that single store. They are also doing very single store, also they do very organized way of doing business. So going in line with government rules and regulations, complying them, not utilizing loopholes, that is a important thing we have to do. Then the next 5 years, it is very good. We are expecting it will be next 5 years or 10 years, it will be very good for the industry.
A lot of companies are going the IPO way. Is Malabar thinking in that direction?
Yeah, IPO, yes. We are preparing ourselves because our company was having multiple companies. The structure of company was large. It's not a single company we had. So we are in the process of consolidating and preparing for Malabar to be an IPO-ready company. Now, going for IPO, when we are going, whether we'll go or not, we are positive about it, but we are preparing for that.
How many countries are you present in now, and are you looking at more geographies?
Yes, right now we are in 14 countries, including India, and more countries are coming up. In the existing countries also, wherever we have entered, we are expanding there, like US, UK, and we have entered recently in Australia also. So wherever we entered, we are expanding. Because single store, two store, just for the sake of adding a country, we don't believe in that. So wherever we have gone, expanding, trying to understand the potential and investing more there. But few more countries will be added soon.
So when you look at within the Indian markets as well, would you say there are various categories evolving here as well? There are investors who buy jewelry or gold as an investment, and then it is about wedding jewelry, which is like a big market in itself, and the luxury segment also now picking up.
So yeah, gold bars, gold coins buying, it is still going on. Especially last couple of months we are seeing a lot of investments are being done in gold coins and gold bars. And wedding jewelry also, because India wedding is like a big celebration. Wedding jewelry is still on the top because any family their biggest jewelry buying is for the wedding in that family. So wedding jewelry, wedding category is still very strong. And luxury segment, yes. Luxury means it is not only the premium luxury category accessible to a category of people only. For anybody buying, upgrading, for them it is a luxury. Because even a person, a working class women, when they get a promotion or something, maybe they are buying a plain gold jewelry, then they are buying something it is a luxury. It is a luxury for them. But maybe for another category it may not. So this is considered as a luxury, but people want this to be an affordable luxury, not high price luxury.
Not yet.
Yeah.
This is the final question. It's a two-part or a three-part perhaps. So going forward from here, as you said, Malabar has its plans and you're looking at more geographies as well. So if you could define those plans to us, one. Two, what is the kind of sales or a season are you anticipating in the next 2 or 3 quarters? Because this is the time that you see the sales maximum.
Yeah, maybe I will not be specific on the numbers, but we are seeing a very positive business in the third quarter and fourth quarter, the second half of it. Because when we analyze, there are a lot of weddings happening during that time. And the inquiries in the counter for the weddings, and when we check, when we take the wedding leads and all, a lot of weddings are happening. And the positivity which is seen in the with the budget and with the proper positive campaign plans by the brands as well as the industry, we are seeing the second half will be very good. Diwali onwards, it should be very good. And coming years also we are seeing very positive. And the other question you asked is about adding geography. Yeah, geography we are studying because we are very careful. Whenever you add a country or a city, we are very careful. We don't add just for the purpose of adding a country or a store. Even with the 350 stores we have right now, when you add a store, we get into detail. Because we never want to go in a place and go back. Because we are building some trust to the people around there. So when you do that, we don't want to exit from that. So step by step only we do it. And but a good growth are being planned. A lot of expansions are being planned, be it in India or other countries. In India itself, many stores are coming. This year, the total plan in India was 60 new stores. Out of that, few stores are opened already. Other stores are getting, in the progress. So total we'll complete 60 stores. Presently, we have 355 stores. So this year, we are crossing 400. That is what we foresee.
All right, that's Malabar telling you that